Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is me going with Q3 of the bi-weekly contest 155, count cells in overlapping horizontal and vertical substrings. Hit the like button and subscribe button, join me in Discord, let me know what you think about this one. So honestly, this one, I took about 10 minutes and I feel that I was a little bit slow for taking 10 minutes. The core part about this is finding a needle in a haystack, which you can do in a couple of ways, right? You could use KMP, you can use Robin Carp, you can use the Z function, which is what I end up doing. I'm not going to go over that particular piece in detail, just knowing that there is this idea, and you could Google and search for it for more detail. But there's this, you could search for Z function, maybe even talk to ChatGPT nowadays. I'm so used to saying Google, but maybe that's better. I don't know. But this is a very standard thing. Nowadays, I don't know, at least for competitive programming, right? And the idea here is that, well, if for given a grid, if we're just wrapping it around, then essentially you just have one long string that's row focused, row major focused, and then the other one that's columns focused, right? And after that, so basically what I did is that I just construct a row string, which looks like this, and a column string, which looks like this, just one character at a time, going, up, from top to bottom, so forth, right? And same thing for row. And then after that, I just get the Z function, and here, I guess this is actually slightly interesting, maybe not, I don't know, is that, okay, well, if this matches all the characters of the pattern, and we kind of do this thing in the front so that it matches itself, it's a standard technique, so I'm not going over it in this video. I've gone over it in other videos. Maybe, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if I should do that more in the future. But yeah, definitely it is part of the understanding of the Z function anyway. But yeah, once you do that, then in theory, what I wanted to do was write something like, okay, well, we have to mark the next P items as, so I might write something like P in range of P, and then, good of whatever ij plus P, and I know you have to wrap around, but I'm just writing it roughly, is equal to 1, right? But the problem is that if you do it with a for loop like this, then this is R times C, which is already 1,000,000, right, given 1,000, and then P is also another 1,000,000, so it's very easy to make this like 1,000,000 square, right? Because if they're all, for example, if all the patterns are all A's, row string is all A's, and columns are all A's, then you would just loop a lot. So what I did instead is that and you could kind of think of it as a prefix sum kind of thing, right? As a, okay, well, if this is good, then you mark the next 5 characters or next P characters, sorry, right? And then you kind of, if you want to rewrite this, you could write a second pass in which then now you collect them all together and then roll them out, right? And that's basically the idea for this one, except for that I did it live in one pass, which is that for at least the rows anyway. I said left is equal to P. That means that we want to update the next P things, and this is what this is, right? If left is equal to 0 or greater than 0, then yeah, we update it. And we update it by just using a flag. I use 1 and 2, so this is for row, this is for column, and I just use this in a bit masked kind of way, so you can think about this as maybe 1 shifted by 0, and 1 shifted by 1, so this is a bit mask, and this is 1 or right. So basically that's the number 3, right? I think I need more prevent on this, but you get the idea. That's basically what I'm doing with that part, so that it's saying that this got set and this got set. I guess technically, if you want it to be a little bit cleaner or more understandable, or if this is not understandable to you, then you can actually use 2 different arrays, like good row and good column or something like that. And then if good row and good column at I and J is good, then you do commas. So maybe that's actually a little bit cleaner to understand. But this is the way that I was thinking about it, right? Everything is linear. This is linear. What happened? This is linear, 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 and this is linear, right? And this is linear. So that O of n, where n of course is R times C. And given that this is a million, this is going to be good and fast enough. And that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. And yeah, you can watch me solve it live in the contest now. 1, 2, 6, 3, 24. All right, looks okay. Let's go. All right, I mean, it's Q2, so should be pretty okay. All right, grid, pattern. How's my ranking going? Pretty okay. Horizontal substring, left to right. Okay, you did not wrap. It wraps to the next row. Okay, vertical, top to bottom. Wraps to the first row of the next column. Okay, and then it's not wrap all the way around. Okay, the cell must be at least the cell must be at least okay. Yeah, I mean, it just seems like a very annoying application of whatchamacallit. Z function. Yeah, okay. I always have to find my code for it. It's either that or Robin Corp, which is fine. But yeah, okay. So we can just do okay. So rows as you go to do for row and grid. List of string. That's weird, but okay, fine. Oh. Row string. Okay. And then columns. I know, I did it the wrong way, but what is it called? Grid of IJ. Okay, and then now we just have to re-index it, right? So here we have C function of row string. Wait, am I thinking about Z function? It's the wrong one, isn't it? Oh no, it's not. But it's been a while. I'm a little bit rusty. I was like, shouldn't you enter something? But no, it's just this plus pattern, right? So okay, let's just print it out. I forget how precise it is. So okay, so you have this. So it would do 1, 2, 3. So it should match 5. Does it not match 5? Are there no rows at all? Once it's over time. A B A C, right? Did I mess this up? A C C B B B. B B B C A B A C A. Okay, so that's the part that I always forget which one it is in. Actually, I should use this instead anyway. But it's been a while. I'm really rusty on contest. Haven't done it in like a couple of weeks. Okay, so there you go. Okay. And then what does that mean? That means that the first character, right? So, okay. So, okay, right? And now, right, so C, then now if rows Z of I times C plus J is equal to length of pattern, then we want to match all of it, right? But if all match, then we can't really do Because I was going to do a for loop on the thing and on the pattern, but that's too much. No, that's okay. We could just do it once. I think that's okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. Now, otherwise, good. Okay. Left is equal to 0. If this is true, then left is equal to pattern. And then if left is greater than 0, and then we decrement, but also we set good of c plus j is equal to 1, right? Yeah, maybe that's fine, right? So this should, whoops, left is equal to 0, left is equal to length of pattern. I times c plus j, is that not right? What was that? Oh, because it's, well, it's just awkward in general, but it's been a while. Okay, so this, the first 5 doesn't mean it was first 6, so we skipped the first 6. So how did our bounce still? R times c. This should be right? 2620, yeah, that's what I would expect. So why is this wrong? I is equal to R. Oh, it's this part. Because, no, but, oh. Because this is IJ, whoops, I am dumb. Okay, I am dumb. Okay, so then now it should only have, is it on the bottom? I think that's quite right? Because it should be, oh, I forgot to do the shift thing. This is for pattern. +1 plus this. I probably should put it in a constant, but okay. So then now this is right, and then now, should I care about this optimization? 1,000 square, maybe. Okay, fine. We should have done it anyway. I don't think this matters, to be honest, but I think it's fine to do. Right, okay, and then we do it again, but now if cause set, oh, I don't call it. Is it j times r plus I? Okay, and then now what do we return? Oh, okay. Something like that, right? We should expect 141, 141. Okay, let's get rid of some print statements before we get a thingy. Okay, let's YOLO submit. No silly mistake, please. Okay, good. Okay, How are we doing? Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this forum, this video, this contest. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.